welcome to the Kramer booth at ISC 2018. We have a quite extravagant, over-the-top kind of demo of the audio system that we have. We are showing here about 25 different speakers. These guys over here, these posters next to me are speakers. We have hidden speakers behind the wall, in-seating speakers, outdoor speakers, studio-grade speakers, subwoofers behind the wall, about 25 different speakers, all of it running by 6 of our brand new amplifiers, Dante boxes, and a few other video knickknacks. The heart of this system is our brand new DSP over IP running the Kramer Network 2.0 that really changes everything in the way that we look at things. We have 3 different flavors for the Kramer Network 2.0, and I'll show you the biggest one that we have, and we'll talk later about other flavors. The biggest one comes with not only the Kramer 2.0, Kramer Network 2.0, it comes with the DSP features, which is a small part, but critical part. It has the ability to not only route Dante signals, but also process them. Once clicked over here, now this microphone is running the processes of a DSP. The processes themselves are done by Waves Audio, which is basically the biggest and best company in the world to do audio processing. You can do that up to 64 different channels at the same time, and you can do so much more. You can route and manage about 1,000 Dante IOs. But wait, it gets way bigger. This system can also do 250 encoders of video. So you have one system managing your virtual audio metrics and virtual video metrics, but it gets way bigger than that as well. This system will auto-detect every Kramer box connected to the wall, so you can see your physical matrices and switches and control these as well. Again, it gets bigger. It supports LDAP user systems, so you have different user permissions to your users in your installation. So security guy can only see the screen that he's responsible for, and the announcement girl can only announce in her area, while the IT manager sees what IT managers like, the whole system, and a big green sign. Like I said a few times, it gets even bigger than that. We said IT. This system can support SNMP traps. So everything disconnected from the wall, the IT manager can get a trap for him and react to that as much as he wants. They have fully detailed log with statistics and uses, so you can see and analyze everything you're doing. And like I said a few times, it gets still even bigger than that. Every firmware version of Kramer devices is being downloaded automatically from our website. You can push upgrades to the entire installation without going on location. It will not upgrade by itself, no one wants that, but you can test it on your location and then send deployment at once to the entire installation. Support scenarios, so routing with virtual video, virtual audio, and physical matrices in a click of a button. One last time, it still gets bigger than this. We have also support of the Kramer Maestro here, meaning automated control, a trigger and an action. Simple side, HDMI goes in, projector goes on. More complicated side, a GPIO of an emergency microphone goes on, all the Dante system goes to this microphone for announcement. This connects, go automatically to where you were. And it goes so much more. It supports scripts file as well as this means everything can be a trigger and everything can be an action. 6 p.m. on Friday is a trigger. Action is backup of your entire system. One last thing I have to show you this system over here. I'm going to click the button that says demo over here, meaning the entire system is going to start rumbling here, 25 speakers, the works. What's going to happen? The customer asked me here, what happened to the system? Very impressive, but what happened if it crashes? And I told them, I don't know, it never crashes. But still, we can try that and see what happens. So I'm going to press the demo over here. I'm going to go to the administrator tools, and I'll crash the system by force right here and see what happens. So clicking the demo, you're going to hear, brace yourself.
Brace yourself.
Told you.
Exceptional sound.
Going to my administrator tool.
Kramer
Services.
brings recordings to
Restart all services. Are you sure? I hope so. The system is now officially crashed. Lost communication with the Dante devices, lost communication with the DSP. What it does now is half a miracle. It finds a disconnection, revives itself automatically. It will restart the DSP, it will restart the Dante connections, go back to the last known stable state, and the system is again online. You haven't missed a bit. The only guy who knows that the system has crashed is the IT manager getting his SNMP trap. One thing I want to demo to you now is the Maestro. Maestro automatic controller, you can do basically everything, including kind of stupid things. Definition of a stupid things, connect the guitar and do some magic. I'll connect the guitar, it's gonna close a GPIO on the switch. The switch is gonna take that screen from that camera It's also going to turn on the lights, going to press play on the playback machine behind the wall, route my guitars with a DSP. I'll play the guitar right here live with no latency, take 4 video streams, embed audio into them, and send it to the other side of the booth going live to YouTube as we speak. Everything just because I connected the guitar cable.